Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Travel with Cubs. Today we are in the beautiful island nation of Sri Lanka, visiting Dehiwala Zoo. It's one of the oldest and most fascinating national zoological gardens in Asia. We are here with our families in Sri Lanka, and all the cubs are super excited to explore the zoo together. The entry fee for locals is marked in rupees, while for foreigners it's in dollars. Since we are Sri Lankan dual nationals, we get the benefit of local entry fees. That's a nice perk. The Dehiwala Zoological Gardens was originally started by Mr. John Hargenberg in the early 1920s as a private collection spanning 11 acres. On July 1st, 1936, it was officially taken over by the government, marking the beginning of its transformation into a public treasure. We came across a group of school students on a trip. It reminded us of our own school days when visiting this zoo was such a special adventure. It's wonderful to now share those memories and experiences with our cubs. Our visit started with a trip to the aquarium here at the zoo. Unfortunately, we noticed that the fish spa, usually a popular attraction, was closed to the public. Additionally, we were unable to witness the sea lion performance today as there were no shows scheduled. We noticed zoo staff conducting maintenance in the pool instead. But don't worry viewers, we've got something equally exciting lined up for you in this video. Our elephants are ready to steal the show. Stay tuned in for their incredible performance. The Dehiwala Zoo isn't just about land animals. They have a fantastic aquarium too. Here you can explore the underwater world of Sri Lanka and beyond. With freshwater marine and brackish water sections, there's a dazzling variety of fish to discover. In 1946, the zoo was established as an independent public department, further solidifying its importance in the realm of wildlife conservation and education. Administrative and management functions were later refined under the National Zoological Gardens Act of 1982, ensuring a structured approach to its operations. Today, the Department of National Zoological Gardens oversees 5 operational units: the Dehiwala Zoo, the Pinnawala Elephant Orphanage, the Pinnawala Zoo, the Ridhyagama Safari Park, and the Gonapala Farm. Each unit plays a crucial role in wildlife conservation and education, providing unique experiences for its visitors. Our cubs are super excited to spot the baby sharks in a tank on our way out. It was the perfect end to our aquarium adventure. The ostrich, also called pasbara in Sinhala, is the largest bird in the world. These remarkable birds never fail to impress with their towering heights and powerful presence. Look at their keen eyes, scanning their surroundings with a blend of caution and curiosity. Now it's time for us to go watch the pelicans feed. Free living pelicans are fed daily at 2:30 p.m. and it's truly amazing to see. Slowly, all the pelicans gather in the feeding area, eagerly awaiting their meal as the staff prepares to feed them. Let's see how the staff feeds these hungry feathered friends. Our cubs had a blast feeding the pelicans and were excited to explore more birds in the aviary. The vibrant macaws, silver pheasants, and the majestic white peacocks truly captivated the attention of all the visitors. Next, we wanted to feed the colorful parrots, and our cubs were eager to join in. They couldn't wait to have a go and interact with these beautiful birds. The Dehiwala Zoo is dedicated to several important goals, caring for a wide variety of animals, both native and exotic, in habitats that resemble their natural homes, ensuring the well-being of animals in their care, including their survival and natural behaviors, protecting endangered and threatened species through captive breeding programs, educating the public, especially the children, about animals and conservation, contributing to research on animals, zoology, and supporting ecotourism, and promoting responsible tourism practices. No visit to a zoo is complete without seeing the big cats. The Bengal Tigers were busy in their cages, and our cubs watched them roaming quiet. Ever wondered where Bengal Tigers come from? They are native to India and can also be found in Bangladesh, Nepal, Bhutan, and Myanmar. Brown bears are native to a wide range of regions across the northern hemisphere. They can be found in North America, Europe, and Asia. These bears thrive in various habitats, from forests and mountains to tundras and coastal areas. We spotted a huge hippopotamus lounging in the water. These massive creatures are native to sub-Saharan Africa, where they spend most of their time in rivers and lakes to keep cool. We had the chance to observe the lively baboons full of energy and playful antics, which fascinated our cubs. In contrast, the gentle orangutans exuded a calm presence, often seen gracefully swinging from ropes or sitting quietly, deep in thought.
Hello, it's Trouble with Cub. Today we're back again in Sri Lanka, visiting very exciting things like these, elephants.
Get ready because it's elephant show time. This is something we have been waiting all day for. Let's see what they have in store for us.
අපි අපේ කණ්ඩායම හඳුන්වා දෙන්නම් පළමු කණ්ඩායම චලනාවේදී දෙවනසේ මා අවසානයේ මා දිවිසමන් කරනවා මොවුන් නැසලින් වුන්ට ආදරෙන් දැකදා ගන්න අපේ කාර්ය මණ්ඩලය මහත්තුරුත් ගමන් කරන ලබනවා
What about baby?
අපේ කණ්ඩායමේ මේ සූදානම පැමිණි සිටින සියලුම නරඹන්න හොඳේ ඔසවා සාකරමින් පිළිගන්නයි. හැම ඔක්කොම සම්මාදයක් ලබාදෙන්නේ. මොන්ට ඉදිරියට රැවීම පිටුපසට ගමන් කිරීමේ හැකියාවක් තියෙනවා. පිටුපසට ගමන් කිරීමේදී පිටුපස ඇති බාධක හඳුනා ගැනීම සඳහා මොන් උපකාරී කරගන්න වර්ගයයි. ඉතින් දැන් පෙන්නන්නේ අපේ නරඹන්නන්ට වගේම අපිට බොහෝම අපූර්ව තුන්තියාලිපත් කොටියලා මෙන්න මෙහෙම වාඩි වෙන්න පුළුවන් කියලා. ඔබගේ උරසුන්නත් අපේ අපේ පිටිකයක් කියනවද? පහයි නේද? බලන්නකෝ අපේ අලියාලා මොකද්ද මේ කියන්නේ කියලා. එයාලා කියන්නේ එයාලගේ තියෙන නේද? මේ පෙන්නන අපේ අලියාලා කොහොමද නැද්ද සෙල්ලම් කරන්න කියලා.
What? They don't do like that. You just need to throw it. Dad, you just need to throw it.
අපි බලමු අපේ අලියාගේ විවරණස්සාහය ඔබගේ උණුසුමත් සම්මාදයක් ලබා දෙමු. දෙවොත්සාහයෙන් සාර්ථකව ලකුණු දෙකක් ලබා ගන්නවා. අපි බලමු තුන්වන අවස්ථාව. ඒ සාර්ථකව දායක ලකුණු තුනක් ලබා ගන්නවා මේ අවස්ථාවේ.
The Dehiwala Zoo's camels are a popular attraction, but there's a sad story behind them. One camel, Bindu, lost his partner Rosie due to a vet misdiagnosing her indigestion as pregnancy. This highlights the importance of proper animal care and the social bond between these camels. Although we'd love to stay here all day with these amazing animals, it's almost time for us to head out. Remember, we've been visiting the zoo while fasting during Ramadan. But before we break our fasts, we're heading to Golfish Green to catch the incredible sunset. It's supposed to be spectacular. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Travel with Cubs, to stay tuned for all our future adventures. We'll see you on the next one.